This summary video discusses the importance of UX workshops in driving innovation in user experience design. UX workshops involve bringing together key stakeholders, including designers, product managers, developers, and users to collaborate and generate new ideas to improve the user experience. The core elements of a successful UX workshop include clearly defining the problem and target audience, selecting participants who bring diverse perspectives and skill sets, creating a comfortable, creative, and collaborative environment, having ideation and prototyping materials readily available, facilitating the workshop with a skilled leader, and documenting and evaluating the outcomes. Different methodologies of UX workshops include design thinking, lean UX, and agile UX, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. Organizations must weigh the benefits and drawbacks of lean UX and agile UX when considering their approach to UX design and choose the one that best aligns with their goals and constraints. Running a successful innovation UX workshop involves defining the problem and target audience, choosing the right participants, establishing the right environment, preparing ideation and prototyping tools, facilitating the workshop, and documenting and reviewing the outcomes. Thanks for watching.